I'm using my Canon XA50 right here on the exit 5 at the rest area on Interstate 26 right here in lovely Kingsport, Tennessee. There's Sonia Hensley, my girlfriend's Chevy Impala. There's the sign that says Interstate 26 West to Kingsport. Well, we're already in Kingsport. Well, what that's talking about is downtown Kingsport. Here's the rest area. Let's do a little zoom test with the Canon XA50. There's the rest area. You take a right when you go across the bridge, and that's where the tractor trailer's parked, as you can see. Now let's pan right back here to the left. Boy, this thing has a great zoom, wouldn't you agree? There's the snack building. Snack building's right there, and to the left is the restrooms. Alright, let's zoom in a little bit closer. That's as far as it will zoom, my friends. That's as far as it will zoom. Let's bring the zoom back out slowly. I love this Canon XA50. It is a great camera. There goes a Walmart truck, imagine that. Walmart. I've got where I don't really care about Walmart like I used to. It used to be a pleasurable experience to shop at Walmart, not any longer. At least not to me. I mean, it's still okay, but 20 years ago it was a different Walmart. Now let's walk over here and get a little footage. What do you say, my friends? I say let's walk over here and get a little footage. It's windy, it's cold. Right now it's only 34 degrees right here in lovely Kingsport, Tennessee. Interstate 26 East is on the left side of the bridge, and Interstate 26 West is on this side of the bridge. I don't know how bad it's picking up wind, but it really is a windy day. Right here in lovely Kingsport, Tennessee, Sullivan County. Sullivan County, in case you did not know, is the birthplace of country music. Shooting 4K, 30 frames per second. The wind's blowing the camera around a little bit. It's really windy. My hands are cold. I live this way on exit 4. Sullivan Gardens Parkway. As far as my zoom will go, how does it look? Considering the wind's blowing about 10 miles per hour, I'm trying to hold the camera as steady as possible. A little bit of footage right here on the bridge, right here on exit 5, Interstate 26. Right here at the rest area, right here in lovely Kingsport, Tennessee. Shooting 4K, 30 frames per second, 150 megabits per second. This is the Canon. I'm using my Canon XA50. I am right here on the bridge, exit 5, Interstate 26, at the rest area, right here in lovely Kingsport, Tennessee, Sullivan County. I am using my Canon XA50, shooting 4K, 30 frames per second, 150 megabits per second. How does the footage look? It's very windy, cold, 34 degrees. How does the footage look? I love this Canon XA50. Thanks for watching, my friends. Please like, comment, subscribe as always. Be happy, positive, and focused. If you ain't living, you ain't laughing. Stay away from negative people. Try to do the right thing. I love everyone. I will see you all on down the road.